What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background from an image. So this is a really simple method, and this is really easy on Powtoon. So what you need to do is you don't have to use the actual interface, but rather you have to use another website, and it's really simple, really simple. You just simply find an image, you drag and drop it, and that's what you have to do. So you want to go to this website or over here. I'm going to be putting in the link in the description and the comments as well for you guys to see. I'm going to pin it down there, and you want to first search up what image you wanna upload. You wanna remove the background off, right? So I wanna search this image of Taylor Swift for these Swiftie fans, and I really like this picture for performing at the Coachella. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click it. I'm gonna right click and then go to save image as. Now this also applies for Windows as well. You have to right click it and go save image as. And I highly recommend that you put it on desktop. This is really easy. It's really easily accessible. So once that's done, once that is saved, you have to go onto upload image. You have to use the website that I recommended you to use, and you have to go to upload image. And you have to go right back to desktop, right? And yeah, that's really basic. You just select the image, you know, press on open, or there'll be something else for Windows, which is pretty similar. So as you can see, what they've done is they've essentially removed the entire background. And if you want to look further, you can just see Taylor Swift's like actual kind of that physical. You can see that you can basically see her entire body, right? So essentially, right, this is a nice contrast. It shows you with the background without the background. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be downloaded right now, and now that it's being downloaded right over here, it's gonna be added onto your downloads, right? So there's gonna be a specific folder called downloads, right? So once it's downloaded, you have to go to upload image. You have to go on upload, and then you have to find your downloads. And I'm gonna click over here and open. So as you can see, the background's already removed. And I don't know why it says my favorite athlete. I should probably change it. I'm gonna put my favorite singer, and then I'm gonna add Taylor Swift over here, and then voila. Let's see how it looks. So my favorite singer, voila, look at Taylor Swift, and then she disappeared. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please do subscribe and like the video. But thank you guys for watching the video, and see you in a bit. Bye.